Resiliency is a new thing that people are discovering right now with open and closed cell, that we add so much more resilience to the roof deck, to the walls, to the overall structure. And in hurricane and in storms, tornadoes that's coming up, the spray foam is holding things together, keeping the buildings together, and that's a huge advantage that insurance wants to see. Anything that's going to increase resiliency and limit the amount of damage. How many times have we seen windstorms come over, knock buildings down, and then the spray foam ones are the only ones left standing in certain situations, right?